Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Arancini cheetahs version in the pie maker. The ingredients are in the recipe box below and it's very, very simple. We've just got some ordinary cooked rice. Don't worry about it even being risotto rice. It's quite sticky. I've just steamed it in the microwave without rinsing it first. If I put my hand in there, it's going to stick to my hand like you would believe. Now, I'm going to sprinkle some veggie salt over the top of that, and that will give it the flavour that we need. I'm also going to put in some freshly cracked pepper. If you are cooking this for children, leave the pepper out unless they particularly like it. We've got our panko breadcrumbs and we're just going to sprinkle a little oil on those. Give them a good shake and they are going to absorb that oil and stay nice and crispy and coat our arancini ball. We're going to be frying it in butter because I love the flavour of it. And I've got a couple of little things here. I've got some left over from a cheese platter. I've got some fruit cream cheese here. I've got some blue cheese, and this is some mozzarella cheese because that's a bit more authentic. That it's grated, that I've just squeezed back into, so it's like deconstructed grated cheese. Squash it back into a ball. Okay, now into our rice, we're just going to tip an egg and some grated cheese. Now that is going to be our binder. This is all gluten-free at this stage, so just mix it all around, and with wet hands we're going to make it into little balls, form it around those pieces of cheese, roll it in our breadcrumbs, and then cook it in our pie maker, which has been brushed with butter. It really couldn't be any easier than this. Kids are going to love this. It's going to be a great finger food for your next party. You can make it ahead of time and just form it all up when you're ready to go, or you can actually make it and take it to school or on picnics and things. So opening up our pie maker, this has had a real workout today, so we're just going to preheat it, which it's doing right now, and with wet hands we are going to make our little arancini balls, put our cheese in the center of it, roll it in our breadcrumbs, and then fry it in our pie maker. Wet our hands. Get a small scoop of a rice mixture, put a piece of cheese in the center of it. Very, very warm here at the moment. Pop some more cheese and rice on the outside of it, and that's what you should have. Now, just brush our pie maker with some melted butter. You can see how nice and hot that is now. Roll it in our breadcrumbs and drop it straight into our pie maker and continue with the rest. Okay, just after a few short minutes, we're going to turn these over and cook them on the other side. And they don't stick, and I don't know why they don't stick. I think it could be the butter, plus a great non-stick surface. Now, before my Italian friends come and jump all over me and say, that's not arancini, of course it's not arancini, but what would you call it? We're going to serve this with some mint jelly and some cranberry jelly. You could use camembert in this too. Okay, time to fish these little fellas out now. They're lovely and crispy, beautifully cooked, perfect for that summer drink. And they taste delicious. Let's pop the other ones in there with a little more butter so it doesn't stick. Now, these are very, very delicate, so just be very careful with them. You might want to pop them in the fridge if it's very hot at your house so that they can firm up a little bit before you roll them in the breadcrumbs. It's about 40 degrees Celsius here at the moment. I can't imagine what I'm doing cooking over a pie maker, but anyway. Okay, now these are absolutely molten hot at the moment, so don't even think about popping them into your mouth yet, but I'll show you how cute they are and quite delicate, so you're going to have to use a very gentle touch to get these out. Well, don't they look sweet? And you can just wipe out these crumbs. And don't forget to check out our other crazy pie maker recipes. We've got something there, honestly, for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe. And do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you. And we're uploading lots of videos every week. Now, you're going to have to agree that this is a very economical little snack. Cup and a half of rice, 8 little cubes of cheese, 1 egg, and some breadcrumbs with some oil dribbled on them, and a little bit of butter to grease your pie maker, and you have got yourself 8 happy little snacks. And I will show you, it's our blue cheese one, what it looks like inside. This is a no end to my silliness. Thanks for watching.